Okay, so we're going to be using substitution to solve equations. And in our first one, we're going to be solving for y. So to get y by itself, we're going to have to subtract 4x from both sides. That cancels out, so that gives us y equals negative 4x plus 2. We're going to be taking this equation and plugging it into this equation. So since y equals negative 4x plus 2, we're going to be plugging this into y. So this is going to be our new equation. Negative 3x plus negative 4x plus 2 equals negative 5. You could just say minus 4x. It's the same thing as adding a negative, or you could just subtract. Okay, so this is our new equation. I'm going to be setting that up with algebra tiles. So we're going to have negative 3 negative 4x plus 2. And we're going to have negative 5 on this side. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to get rid of this positive 2. And to do that, we have to subtract 2 from both sides to cancel that positive 2 out. So we get rid of this. And now this leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 7x and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 7 on this side. So we have to divide negative 7 by negative 7 to get x by itself, and that gives us x equals positive 1. So we know what x equals now. We have x equals positive 1. And we're just going to use this same equation to plug in x, which is 1, to find what y equals. So now we know that negative 3 times 1 plus y equals negative 5. We know that negative 3 times 1 is just going to be negative 3. So we're going to have negative 3 plus y equals negative 5. And to get rid of this negative 3, we have to add 3 to both sides to cancel that positive 3 out. So here we have that. So this cancels out and this cancels out. So this cancels, and this cancels. So we're left with y equals negative 2. So the solution for this equation is x equals 1 and y equals negative 2.